Kung gusto mo ng modern pero preskong bahay, bagay sa iyo ang theme design nila. Simple, elegant at maliwalas. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Bon Sitoy from Bon South Properties. Ang kapartner mo sa real estate content at mga investment tip. Kung bago ka pa lang dito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos natin. Ngayong araw guys, excited akong i-share sa inyo ang isa sa mga pinaka-promising na residential projects dito sa South, ang Solen Residences, dito sa Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Unahin muna natin ang location kasi yan talaga ang pinaka-importante sa pagbili ng bahay or investment property. Solen Residences is located inside Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Very accessible ito via South Luzon Expressway. Pwede kang dumaan sa Eton, Mamplasan, or Santa Rosa exit. Less than an hour lang ang biyahe from Metro Manila. Kaya perfect ito para sa mga naghahanap ng mas tahimik na community pero nasa strategic na lokasyon. Malapit din ito sa mga essential establishment. Schools like Xavier Schools, New Valley, De La Salle University, Laguna Campus, Brent International, and upcoming University of Santo Tomas dito sa Laguna. Malls like Paseo Outlet, Soledad Mall, at Vista Mall. Hospital like the Medical City, South Luzon. At syempre, katabi lang din ang iba pang high-end subdivisions sa New Valley area, Eton City, and South Forbes. The location is impressive. You still get the city convenience but with a more peaceful vibe. So ano nga bang meron sa Solen Residences? Tara! Solen Residences is a residential subdivision developed by Greenfield Development Corporation known sa quality and master plan communities nila. It's a mid to high-end residential development ideal for families, professional, and even retirees. Meron tayong mga premium lots and house and lot na packages. Ang total land area ng Solen Residences is nasa 55 hectares pero low density development ito, meaning hindi crowded at more open spaces. Modern Asian tropical design ang theme ng Solen Residences na sobrang relaxing at elegant tignan. Ang ganda ng master plan natin, may wide roads, linear parks, and green spaces sa paligid ng community. At syempre, titignan din natin kung ano yung mga ino-offer na amenities ng Solen Residences. At dito, stand out si Solen. May clubhouse na may infinity pool, perfect for weekend family bonding, may basketball court at open areas para sa mga outdoors activities. May jogging paths, playground, at landscape park for a healthy lifestyle. Fully equipped fitness gym para sa daily workouts and wellness. 24/7 security at gated community for your peace of mind. Wide road at semi-underground utilities. Mas safe na, maganda pa tignan. Hanap mo ay tahimik na lugar pero may access pa rin sa enjoyable amenities, this is the perfect spot for you. If you're looking for a lot-only option here in the South, this might be the one for you. Lot size range from 150 square meter to over 300 square meter depending on the pace and the block. House and lot packages are also available, tailored for future homeowners. The home designs are both elegant and functional, ideal for those looking to elevate their lifestyle. Kung gusto mo ng modern pero preskong bahay, bagay sa iyo ang theme design nila. Simple, elegant, at maliwalas. Lot prices start around 48,000 per square meter up to 55,000 per square meter. Kaya depende sa laki ng lote, nasa 7 million to 12 million ang price range. Flexible din ang payment terms. Spot cash with discount, and for pre-selling units, meron tayong stretch DP option from 12 to 24 months. Kaya kahit hindi ka pa ready sa full payment agad, may option ka para makapagsimula. Bakit nga ba dito sa Solen Residences? Prime location sa South, trusted developer, nature and lifestyle friendly community, malapit sa future development ng greenfield at mataas ang potential for appreciation. Whether end user ka or investor, panalo ka dito. This is a great choice for your forever home or future income property. As you can see guys, napakaserene ng paligid, maliwalas, greener at tahimik. Develop na ang area, kompleto na ang amenities at solid ang security ng buong community. So ayun mga ka-investment, that the full highlights and overview ng Solen Residences. If you're looking for a peaceful, modern and investment-worthy community dito sa South, this might just be the perfect one for you. If gusto mong magpa-schedule ng site tripping, unit viewing, or need further details, feel free to message me. Ilalagay ko yung contact details ko sa description below. Once again, this is Bon Sitoy from Bon South Properties. Salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para makatulong din sa mga kakilala mong naghahanap ng bahay or good investment opportunity. See you on the next vlog. God bless and happy investing.